Most people work out like beasts, but sabotage it in the kitchen. Today, I'm giving you 5 shocking nutrition hacks and no equipment meal prep tips that'll change your body and your schedule. Nutrition isn't about dieting. It's about eating smarter. If you're tired of being confused by labels, trends, or fake healthy foods, stay with me. I'm giving you truth plus tools to start today. You don't need 10 fancy ingredients. Just pick. 1, a protein, chicken, tofu, eggs. 2, a complex carb, quinoa, sweet potato, brown rice. 3, a fiber-rich veggie, spinach, broccoli, bell peppers. Boom, clean, balanced meal in under 10 minutes. Carbs make you fat. False. Too many processed carbs do. You need to cut fat to lose fat. Nope, healthy fats help you burn fat. Eating late at night ruins progress. Context matters. Calories. Clock. Use the batch plus rotate method. Prep a big batch of protein and switch up your sides daily. Example: Day 1, chicken plus rice plus spinach. Day 2, chicken plus sweet potato plus broccoli. Day 3, chicken plus quinoa plus zucchini. Most hunger cravings are dehydration in disguise. Before your next snack, drink a glass of water, then wait 10 minutes. 70% of cravings will vanish. Add lemon, mint, or cucumber for flavor and gut health. When your meals are ready in the fridge, you're way less likely to binge, skip, or eat trash. You're training your brain to stay consistent, not just your body. Stop guessing and start fueling your goals. Nutrition is the difference between spinning your wheels and seeing real change. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more science-backed health hacks, home remedies, and fitness recipes every single week. Comment ready if you're committing to eat better this week, and share this with someone who's still skipping breakfast.